To start with, you're going to want about 1 inch of fabric on each side of your bag while the purse is laying down flat. And this fabric that I have, I can just fold it over at the bottom because it doesn't have a pattern that has to be going a certain way. So if your pattern is going a certain way, then you'll need to cut to the same size and then sew across the bottom. And you also want your fabric to be able to fold up into about the halfway point of the bottom of your bag and still have enough room at the top to fold over to sew in around the inside edge. And then the first thing you're going to do is sew up the edges, just a straight line on each side. After the sides are sewn up, cut a square notch in the bottom corner of each side. And this will give us the ability to fold the bottom and make it flat across the bottom of the purse. And then I'm going to fold it in and then sew a straight line right across that opening on both sides. And then turn your fabric to where the pattern is on the outside. And now you can see that flat edge that will go in the bottom of the purse. And now we're going to turn the purse inside out. This takes a little bit of effort, but it's definitely worth taking the purse and turning it inside out to be able to get this on the sewing machine to sew easier. And then open up your purse lining and put your purse inside of it. And then fold over the top and then just sew around the edge. Make sure D-rings are pointed down so they are out of the way when you are sewing. If you have a flap, make sure you line up the fabric fold on the back so the fabric doesn't go up onto the flap when you're sewing it. I normally use clear thread because purse linings is the only thing I sew, so this keeps me from having to buy so many colors of thread. Then turn the purse back to the right side and you're done.